This single gunshot changed the entire world forever. In 1914, Europe was filled with tension. Powerful nations were divided by dangerous alliances. On a quiet morning in Sarajevo, no one knew history was about to change. Archduke Franz Ferdinand, heir to the Austro-Hungarian Empire, arrived with his wife, Sophie. Archduke Franz Ferdinand, heir to the Austro-Hungarian Empire, arrived with his wife, Sophie. Hidden in the crowd stood a young man, Gavrilo Princip, waiting. One shot was fired, 2 lives were lost, and the world was shaken. Austria declared war on Serbia, alliances collapsed. Within weeks, the world was at war. More than 16 million lives were lost, all because of one moment. History can change in just 1 second.